Before watching this video, please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes.
Now I will discuss about AP Polyset 2019 model paper, structure of atom. In these three questions will be there. The first one is the quantum mechanical model of atom was proposed by options Rutherford, Bohr, Schrödinger, Max Planck. Answer is Schrödinger. Second question is the possible L values for given n value. Given n values are option is 0 to n minus 1, second option 0 to n, third option 1 to n, fourth option 1 to n minus 1. So actually L equal to n minus 1. So if n value 1, that's then L value 0. So L value 0 to n minus 1. This is the correct option. Next question, which of the following set of quantum numbers is not correct? Here observe, this is the principal quantum number, n means principal quantum number, L means azimuthal quantum number, MT means magnetic quantum number, MS means spin quantum numbers. According to this, we are observed the first option is, so n value 2. So L value 1 means 2p, p orbital. So m value minus 1. So here observed following set of quantum numbers is not correct. So it is the 2p is correct. Second option is n equal to 2. N equal to means n value 2. Here L value 0 means s orbital. So in this s orbital m equal to 2l plus 1. This is the formula. So here L value here 0. 2 into 0 plus 1, so 1. So here some possible values only 1. So that is 0 but not plus 1. It is the not correct. It is not correct. Third option, you can check. N equal to 2. This is the principal quantum number. L value 1. 1 means L value 1 means it is the p orbital. So here 2p orbital. 2p orbital m value 2 into 1 plus 1. So maximum 3 values is there. That is the minus 1, 0, plus 1. So m value minus 1. It is the correct option. This also. So spin minus 1. It is the correct. Next to fourth. N value 2. L value 0 means s orbital. So 2s. So m value 2 into 0 plus 1. So 1. So 1 means that is the 0. So it is also correct. So according to this question, first option is correct. Second option is not correct. Third option is correct. Fourth option is also correct. But according to this question, which of the following set of quantum numbers is not correct? So that is the second answer is correct. 18 model paper. In this first question, very important part of this question, the maximum number of orbitals accommodated in a subcell with angular momentum quantum number L is. So our option is first option L plus 1, second option 4L plus 2, third option 2L plus 1, fourth option L into L plus 1. Here, so the maximum number of orbitals means f orbitals having 7 orbitals. That's why for f orbital, L value L value, actually L equal 0, 1, 2, 3. This is S orbital P, D, E, F. So that's why F orbital for L value 3. So here 3 plus 1, 4. 4 orbitals is not there. 4 into 4, 4 into 3 plus 12. So the 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So 14 electrons. So here are asking only orbitals. That's why here third option, L value for F orbitals 3. So 2 into 3 plus 1 equal to maximum 7 orbitals. This is the correct answer for this question. Very, very important. The maximum number of orbitals accommodated in a subcell with angular momentum quantum number L is 2L plus 1. So easily identified M equal to 2L plus 1. Next question. The wavelength of visible light is in between. Our option is 100 nanometers to 300 nanometers. Second option 400 nanometers to 700 nanometers. Third option 700 nanometers to 900 nanometers. Fourth option is 800 nanometers to 2000 nanometers. So in this correct answer is 400 nanometers to 700 nanometers. So here we are observed, we are identified visible light, radio waves, microwaves. That's the we identified this light values. So that's why if we remember that like that, that questions like that will be given. 2017 model paper. Bohr's model explains line spectra of. First option is H plus ion. Second option is H atom. Third option is helium atom. Fourth option is lithium plus ion. So according to Bohr's theory, Bohr's explain single electron presented in atom. So that is the means which atom or ion having single electron, that's obeys that this question. So H plus ion, H plus ions means no electrons is there. So it is wrong answer. Second, H atom. H atom means hydrogen contain only one electron. One electron. So this is explained by Bohr, singly electron presented atom. So next, helium atom. Helium atom means helium contains 2 electrons. It is not obvious. Lithium plus ion. Lithium plus means lithium atomic number 3, but lithium plus means loss of 1 electron. So that's then it has 2 electrons. So it is also wrong. The correct answer is second option, hydrogen atom. Next question. Electromagnetic waves are sensitive to our eyes. Option is X-rays. Second option is UV rays. Third option is visible rays. Fourth option is microwaves. So here some rays we can't see it directly. So X-rays, it is the very dangerous. It is used for X-rays. So X-rays for our body scanning. So next, second, UV rays. So it is also not we can't see directly. Next, visible rays. So for example, our light, tube light, that light is also visible rays. We can't see, we can see directly. That is the visible rays. Next, microwaves. So it is also a wrong answer. So correct answer is visible rays. Next question, it is the very, very important repeated question. So the number of possible orbitals in a subcell, which angular momentum quantum number L is. It is already in previous paper I will already explain. So first option is L plus 1, second option is 2L plus 1, third option is 2 into 2L plus 1, fourth option is 0 to n minus 1. So the correct answer is 2L plus 1.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes. And share this